Hello guys,
Hi.
my name is Radu and today with my gorgeous wife Miruna we will react to I Prevail's new single, Rain. Last time we reacted to their new single from their new album without the old vocalist, clean vocalist. We were very surprised.
Yep.
I expected something more heavier, but it was a chill song. But we loved it, so let's see what they cooked
Rain.
now.
Ooh. Ooh.
God, the video.
The video is really cool. Ooh. And I love that they're actually in the rain. Not like Justin Timberlake on Electric Castle. Ooh. Ooh. Damn, I love the video. This is so good. Lady Gaga could never. This is so good.
I'm sorry that their vocalist left, but they are doing good.
They're doing just fine.
They're doing fine. Also with the clean vocalist.
Yep.
I didn't expect that much clean vocals after he left.
Yeah, same.
And the Violent Nature, their first single was non-stop.
That was so good though.
This.
I still love it.
Reminds me a little bit of Breaking Benjamin.
Yeah, I can
the
hear
melody.
it. Yeah. I actually can hear it as well.
He'll break down.
Man. Man, this is so good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
That switch.
Damn, this is so good. This is quite literally my new favorite band.
This was their best one from this album.
I love all of them. I can't choose.
Yes, but for me, this is my favorite from all the three songs,
so
singles released until now.
It's so good.
Give us the album, please.
Yeah.
Now. Now, please. Please.
Now, right here, right now.
Yeah. So this was our reactions to I Prevail's new single, Rain. It's wild.
It's good. It's good.
And if you want to see more videos like this, follow us, subscribe, and wait for them. Cheers.
Bye.